Neoenesis is a sponsor of this case study, and their stem cell technology plays a key role in my treatment plan. These serums support skin regeneration, reduce inflammation, and help improve overall skin health, which is especially important when working with aging skin. For this age management case study, I'm working with a mature client who has dry skin, visible loss of elasticity, and volume changes related both to age and weight loss. My primary goal is to encourage collagen production while deeply hydrating the skin and supporting overall skin resilience, especially around the eyes and the mouth. Over the next 8 weeks, I will rotate hydration, infusion, exfoliation, and recovery. I plan to include epidermal microchanneling at least twice to help stimulate collagen production and improve product delivery without creating trauma. I'll also incorporate gentle cellular turnover using low-level polyhydroxy acids and 2 good glowing micropeels. That's kojic, salicylic, and resorcinol. I'm going to do this to encourage renewal and support collagen synthesis. Weekly massage and lymphatic drainage, including facial cupping, will be a part of this plan to improve circulation, support detoxification, and enhance oxygen and nutrient delivery to the skin. I'll also be using cold atmospheric plasma to help stimulate fibroblasts to boost collagen and elastin production, assist with circulation, and improve the penetration of our performance serums. I'll also be using microcurrent therapy to help with muscle toning, lymphatic drainage, and also with ingredient penetration. At home, Doreen's going to be using a red LED face mask 3 times a week. This is going to help support cellular energy, collagen production, and help reduce inflammation in between our professional treatments. So I look forward to seeing how this plan performs, and we'll see you in Dallas, Texas, March 2026.